Think smart. Conceptual engineering at your fingertips. The main focus of Smart Solution Services is to identify the needs of our clients and make a diagnosis of their processes in order to offer solutions that best fit their needs. What we offer. We offer the most efficient and advanced hand-tied bouquet manufacturing system that has been invented to date for the cut flower industry. How do we do it? By integrating the technologies of Industry 4.0 together with the interaction of our policies, we have been able to develop automated and mechanized production lines. This allows us to increase efficiencies and achieve the uniformity in the final product that the bouquet market demands. What do we win? Increase and standardize the efficiency of the workforce, improve the ratio of stems per labor hour in the post-harvest, which is reflected in the decreased cost of production. An efficient planning model that takes into account the main variables in the floral industry, which are labor availability and harvest versus delivery time. The planning and organization cannot be altered by the operators that could result in product deterioration and production overcost. Lower the product shrink due to inventory and handling. We are able to achieve an excellent level of uniformity, symmetry, and distribution of the stems in the bouquets by allocating into the exact stem position. Reduce the risk of negative surprises in the preparation and production process, which in turn will lower the cost of the operation. Decrease rates of employee absenteeism and disability due to illness or injury. Allow your company to hire employees with disabilities. Less time training staff. The software Smart Window 4.0, developed by Smart Solution Services, will allow you to see your information in real time. Our software has a production module which will support the following areas: product balance statement, weekly production planning, daily production planning, production line programming, a perfect hand-tied bouquet every time. Contact us.